friends. This is You Are Holy, or Prince of Peace, in the key of C. This is just a simple way to chord along to this song, so I hope I've simplified it down to the basics so you can have a lot of fun. All right, make sure to stop the video, click on the description below, and you'll find the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so for this song, it's pretty simple. We have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and D minor. Okay, so let's go through those chords. Look for this group of 2 black notes, and you're going to find every other note is going to be the chord C. C, E, G is a C chord. Okay. All right, let's play the D minor, which is right next door. I see it's a little shiny on the keyboard. Sorry, the sun is just peering through the window. D, F, A is a D minor chord. Okay. All right, let's look for this group of 3 black notes. Come down here and you're in the F position. F, A, C, F chord. And then move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. G, B, D. Okay. And move up 1 set of notes again and you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay. All right, so let's just review those 5 chords. We have C chord. I'm just moving my other fingers out of the way for you. D minor, F, G, A minor. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to try to find a position that we could just keep here, this hand, the whole song, and then we don't have to move it. So when we play a C chord up here, I'm just going to play a single note down here, C to C. Okay, that D minor, we're just going to open that thumb, D to D minor, F to F, G to G, and A minor, A in the bass. Okay, pretty simple. All right, so this song is written in 4/4 time signature. So it is a ratio I use called 1-to-2 ratio. And that just means we're going to do together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You can practice that on the C chord. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. It's just a great foundation to be able to learn a song, and then you can add in your own things as you get more advanced or learn tips along the way. Okay, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds. This is a pretty short song. Then we only have the verse, and then we have a chorus, and that's it. So I'm going to sing it, and then you can see how it sounds together. You are holy, you are holy, you are mighty, you are mighty, you are worthy, you are worthy, worthy of praise, worthy of praise. I will follow, I will follow, I will listen, I will listen, I will love you, I will love you all of my days, all of my days. Okay, so you'll notice that last line I did a little something different, but other than that, it's just that simple rhythm. This, if you're kind of new to this song, it kind of has this, maybe the girls would sing the "You are holy" and the guys would echo "You are holy," or vice versa. You see it different in a lot of different settings. So you can just sing through it and not do the echo if you want, or you can, if you're leading in church, this is a great way to get people to go back and forth. All right. So you're noticing that, for the entire first verse, or the verse, it's just 1 chord per line, and it just goes through this pattern: C, F, D minor, G, C, F, D minor, G. Okay, so notice patterns in your music. That helps simplify it a bit as well. So I'm just going to it's pretty self-explanatory, honestly, for this verse because there's no chord changes. So we're just going to go this nice rhythm. It's kind of a little bit, you can do it whatever tempo you want. You are holy, you are holy, you are mighty, you are mighty, you are... Okay, that might be the tricky part, is to move that thumb open to the D minor. Worthy, you are worthy, worthy of G, praise, worthy of praise. I will see, follow, I will follow. I'm just playing all of my days, all and days, and then all of my days, all and days again, okay? It's kind of just a little bit, none of my days, all of my days. So you're just doing a 1-to-1 ratio. You're just going, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum-dum, kind of thing like that. That's how I do it. All right, so let's look at the chorus. This kind of has this roundabout way of doing this where, maybe one group of people are singing, I will sing to and worship the King who is worthy. And the other people are singing, you are Lord of Lords, you are King of Kings. So obviously I'm a one-man show here, one-woman show. So I don't have the ability to sing two different things. But this is a really great way. Like I said, if you're in a band setting or you're, leading other people, you can have one group of people and you're playing the same chords through the whole thing. But people are singing two different melodies, so to speak, but they blend really beautifully together. So I'm just going to be doing the I will sing to and worship. All right. So it starts out with this F chord. And I also want to talk about a pattern again. So if you look at every other line, it's F, G, and then it's G, A minor, C, F, G, G, A minor, C, F, G, so on. So it just kind of goes through that pattern. So sometimes removing the left hand altogether and going through it in the right hand, just so you're getting your hands used to which chord transition it's going to. If you're new to chording, that kind of helps a little bit as well. All right, so I'm going to sing through chorus 1 and we'll go through it slow here. I will sing to and G, worship the A minor, King who is worthy, and I will F, love and a G, adore you, and I will A minor, bow down, B, C, for him, and I will F, sing to and G, worship the A minor, King who is C chord, worthy, and I will F chord again, love and a G, adore you, and I will A minor, bow down, B, C, for him. Okay, and this ending just goes a little bit like this. You're my Prince of Peace, and I will live my life for you. Okay, that last part again. You're my Prince of Peace, and I will live my life for you. All right. All right, go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I am going to sing it beginning to end. You can play along with me, have a lot of fun. Here we go. You are holy, you are holy, you are mighty, you are mighty, you are worthy, you are worthy, worthy of praise, worthy of praise. I will follow, I will follow, I will listen, I will listen, I will love you. I will love you all of my days, all of my days. I will sing to and worship the King who is worthy, and I will love and adore him. I will bow down before him, and I will sing to and worship the King who is worthy, and I will love and adore him. I will bow down before him. You're my Prince of Peace, and I will live my life for you. Verse again. You are holy, you are holy, you are mighty, you are mighty, you are worthy, you are worthy, worthy of praise, worthy and worship the King who is worthy. And I will love and adore him. I will bow down before him. You're my Prince of Peace, and I will live my life for you. And you're my Prince of Peace, and I will live my